Hey, how was your day?
It was good, thanks. Just got some work done and relaxed a bit. How about you?
Same here. I had a pretty chill day. Just watched some TV and played some video games.
Nice. I'm a bit jealous. I wish I had more time to relax.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's hard to find downtime sometimes.
So, what's for dinner?
I was thinking we could order some pizza. How does that sound?
Sounds great to me. What toppings do you want to get?
How about pepperoni and mushrooms?
Perfect. I'll go order it online.
Sounds good. Thanks.
No problem. So, how is your week? Anything exciting happen?
Not too much. Just the usual work stuff. How about you?
Same here. Just work and the usual routine.
Yeah, I know how that is. Sometimes it feels like we're just going through the motions.
Exactly. But hey, at least we have each other to come home to.
Absolutely. I don't know what I'd do without you.
Ah, thanks. I feel the same way about you.
So, what do you want to watch on TV tonight?
How about that new show we've been meaning to check out?
Sounds good to me. I'll go find it on Netflix.
Great, thanks.
No problem.
So, how's work been treating you lately?
It's been good. Just busy with the usual projects and meetings.
Yeah, I know how that is. Sometimes it feels like we're just running on a treadmill and getting nowhere.
Exactly, but at least we have our weekends to look forward to.
Absolutely. So, do you have any fun plans for the weekend?
Actually, I was thinking of taking you out on a surprise date.
Ew, that sounds intriguing. What did you have in mind?
I was thinking of taking you to that new restaurant that just opened up downtown.
I've been wanting to try that place out. What time were you thinking?
How about 7 p.m. on Saturday?
Sounds perfect. I'll make sure to clear my schedule.
Great, I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. So, what's the plan for the rest of the evening?
Well, I was thinking we could watch a movie or something.
Sounds good to me. What did you have in mind?
How about that new Marvel movie? I think it's great to watch.
I've been wanting to see that. As you said, it is great to watch. Let's go for it.
Okay, I'm just coming back. Wait for a minute.
Okay, right, come back.
Great, I'll go pop some popcorn.
Sounds perfect.